Faisal that case. I am studying in Sathyamangalam, Little Flower Matric Higher Secondary School. I am studying in class 7th A. My school is the best because it have a lot of facilities and mainly they have used a lead uses new modern technology. We have a LED TV at class which is very interesting and they give a detailed explanation how to solve the problem. Children like me, they love to watch TV and television. We watch a lot of CRLs which is very useful to us. I like science because it have a lot of mechanical things and experiment. Our science teacher Chitra Devi ma'am bought a lot of material tools and taught us the circuit by using the lead tabs. They have two terminals, they are positive and negative. If we stop at a positive terminal, the bulb doesn't glow. If we allow the negative or positive terminal to reach the bulb, it automatically starts glow. Our teacher taught at the reproductive parts of the flower by using a hibiscus flower, which is a bisexual flower. By using this, we can easily understand everything. My friends thank me because I brought them to the lead school and they scored a better mark than before and they learned the concept very easily. I am really proud of my school because it teaches me everything.